Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix D3DX9_24.dl and not found or missing on your PC. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing what I suggest you to do here is to simply restart your computer and look if the problem persists or not, because for some people it fixed their problem. And if it's not the case, if the problem still persists, then another thing that I suggest you to do here is to install the latest version of Microsoft DirectX to your machine, right? So you just need to open a browser, then you just need to write on Google DirectX and user runtime, and probably it will be the first link here that says DirectX and user runtime web installer. Hit that, then you will open up this window and you can select language and download the setup. And setup should look something similar to this. You just need to open up, then you just need to press I accept the agreement, hit next, then deselect this option here and hit next and install latest DirectX, restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, in a lot of ways, it's because you try to open the game or app. So if you try to open a game and you get this error, you just need to then go to the game client that you want to that you try to open the game, and then you just need to go to library, find the game, right click on it, go to properties, and then installed files and verify integrity of the game files. So maybe your game files is corrupted, right? And then hit browse, then look for a exe file of your game or your app, then right click on it, go to properties, compatibility, and make sure run this program in compatibility mode 4 is not selected, as well as disable full screen optimizations. And then you need to look if the problem persists or not after restart the computer. And if the problem persists, then I highly advise you to just reinstall the game or app. Just on search, write installed apps, and then on the list find the game or app, right click, just press on the menu and uninstall. And still, when you reinstall the app or game and it's not working, then I suggest you open up CMD or command prompt, right click on it, run as admin, hit yes, and then you just need to write CFC / scan now. And basically, verification process will start, and your computer will check your all files, and it will fix files if there is some corrupted ones, right? And after verification process is completed, after it hits 100, you just need to restart your computer again, right? And if it's not the case, then the last thing that I suggest you to do here is to update your operating system and your GPU drivers. And to do so, you just need to open up settings. Then on settings, you just need to go to Windows Update, check for updates, or press install all. And if there is an update on your operating system, you can easily do that here. Same thing with your GPU drivers, depending of course on what GPU you're using. I'm using a NVIDIA, so there is a GeForce Experience. After that, I just need to go to GeForce Experience, drivers, check for updates, and if there is an update for me that I need to, or for you that you need to download and install it, please do so here. If you're using AMD Radeon, I believe there is AMD Radeon app to that, or simply you can just go to Device Manager, and then on Device Manager, you can expand Display Adapters option, right click on your GPU, update driver, and search automatically for drivers here. And it should fix your problem. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.